We be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade bloodburning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know.
Hey loves, how y'all doing on today? In today's video, we are working with Asteria Hair. I have worked with them before. I haven't worked with them in a minute, so this was a treat for me. But this is everything that came in my package.
Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to me. Every time you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave.
This wig, it does come already with the knots bleached, so you do not have to do that if you don't want. And here is a close-up of the hairline. It comes already pre-plucked, and really, like, you know, it comes plucked, or it's pre-plucked, so you do not have to go in and pluck anything. This is how it looks when I push it all back. And I did not go in and I did not do any extra plucking, y'all, because it's already giving a like fine hairline, like a you know, like a thin fine hairline, the way I like mine's. So here's me putting on the wig. I did tack it down with some bedhead hardhead spray, because the wig's hairline didn't match mine, and I didn't go in and fix it up to match mine. I only tacked down really like the middle portion of the wig because I knew I was going to wear it in the middle part and you wouldn't see the sides. Okay, y'all, so let me get into some things that I noticed when I was installing this wig and working with this wig. So first off, I love that the wig came pre-bleached and also came pre-plucked to the point where you do not have to pluck the hairline at all. Again, I did not pluck my hairline at all. How you see it is how I left it, because if I would have plucked any more, y'all, it would have been given like overly plucked. And honestly, like, if you don't like your hairlines this fine, if you don't like that thin hairline, then you would probably think that it's over plucked here. But I like my hairlines like this because my hairline is like this naturally, so I think it's pretty. If you know how to if you know how to work with it, it won't look over plucked. It will look natural, like it's literally coming out of your scalp. So yeah, I love that I did not have to pluck anything with this wig, and I love that if you don't want to, you don't have to bleach your knots. But I did go in and bleach your knots for about 20 extra minutes, and I used a 20 volume developer because I found that the knots wasn't as light as I would like. So I did go in and bleach it again. I do love that this wig comes with HD lace, and I'm feeling how the companies are finally, like, when they say they have HD lace, it's really HD lace. So this is real HD lace, really HD lace, y'all. Like, it's super thin. It has the fraying pieces at the, you know, on the lace before you cut the lace. So that's how I knew this was real HD lace. So I love that. What else? Oh, first of all, love the curls. Y'all know I'm a curly girl. Love the curls. Okay, but let me tell y'all, this wig is so freaking full. Okay, if you don't like thick hair, this may not be the wig for you. Okay, or I'm not gonna say that, because they do have different densities, so you can get a lesser density. But if you're like me and you love big Diana Ross hair, like super big, baby, this the wig for you. Like super thick, yes, this the wig for you. When it dries, oh my god, and you start fluffing it out, baby, so freaking pretty. Okay, like, I love this wig so much, y'all. But yeah, loved how full it was, loved the curl pattern. Yeah, I just really like this wig, y'all. It was soft. It was, you know, super pretty. I didn't have any issues with tangling. I was able to run my fingers through the curls with no problem. I'm going to show you guys how I define my curls, which y'all, you know, if you watch my videos, then you know. But you'll see that I only use a lot of body and water to define my curls. And that's it, y'all. And, yeah, I'm trying to think anything else. yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about this wig. I do like this wig. Again, if you don't like overly, if you don't like your hairline to be like really, really plucked where it's giving that fine hairline, then I'm not gonna say this may not be the wig for you, but maybe you should see if they have it where it's not as pre-plucked. But if you're one that likes that look and you don't want to pluck it or don't know how to pluck, then you would definitely like this wig. So I'm gonna have all of Asteria's information in the description box, as well as the specs for this wig if you're interested. But other than that, I have nothing else, so I'm gonna get out of here. Thank y'all so much for watching, and thank you to Asteria Hair for allowing me to try this wig. I loved it so much. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
I want some of your sugar. 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 About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't want. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. And some of your brown sugar, babe. Brown sugar. caught this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are